Hello, today, let's learn how to draw a mouse with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. First write an 8. Then a 7. Then a 2. Then a K. C. Then finally letter S to make a tail. Now we know how to draw a mouse. Draw 4 twos. Draw a straight line. Draw a C on top of 2. Draw a curve. Bin like eyes and pecks. 2 W. 2 V's. The 2 birds on the branch are finished. Let's draw a bicycle with my friend. Are you ready? Write an M. Write 3 small letters R. Write 2 big letter R. Connect 2 lines. Draw in handlebars and seats. Finally draw the basket and pedals. Now we have our own drawing bicycle.
Hello guys. Today we will draw Ladybug. Are you ready?
First write an A. Then draw a C and an inverted C. Draw an inverted U in the middle. Then draw 2 small U's as eyes. Then draw 2 tentacles. Write a U at the bottom to connect them. Then draw a small C and an inverted C. Then finally draw 6 L's. Now we have our very own drawing of Ladybug.